What a freaking day. We installed our front doors this past weekend. They look so good. I'm gonna share it with you guys. I just didn't post about it over the weekend because honestly, I was out for the count. I've had the worst migraines over the past 2 weeks, and they have just been getting worse and worse. I have not had migraines before. Then I had Graham, and here they are. So I went to a doctor today, got some medicine. I am praying that helps because migraines are no freaking joke. If anyone has any recommendations on what to take when you have a migraine or what to do, please tell me because I'm dying over here. They look so freaking good. If you could see the outside of our house right now, it looks so good. These changed everything. Our house looks new. It looks completely different. You would not recognize it. I love it. I got these from Crosswood Doors. They had so many options, totally affordable. If you need doors, I highly recommend them. We got the side lights from them as well. I honestly love this finish. I don't think I'm going to stain it. Originally, I thought I would stain it just to be like a little bit darker, but I kind of love the light wood. Let me know what you think. I'll post a picture. I'm thinking I'm just going to do like a clear coat of poly to protect it from the weather, but I kind of love this color. Let me know.